Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3442 laptop driver. So all driver LAN, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, desktop, screens. You can see all required driver touchpad will show you how to download and install. So first you have to come this officially website dell.com. After that click on support and then click on driver and download. Just enter the model number Inspiron 3442 and just select this. Okay, this is your laptop. Slow it down. So there are two options, automatic update and manually specific driver. Okay, so in this you can do this also, you can follow this method automatic, and if you are getting suppose getting any driver for the installations, so just install the separate driver, specific driver. Okay, then just click on categorize. You can select the operating system. If your Windows 11 it's not showing here, you just select the Windows 10, so because driver it will be match. Okay, so first driver, this is a Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Okay, then audio driver, chipset driver, also try one by one. Then touchpad driver, then Bluetooth driver, all driver are there. Then this is a graphic driver. So I show you how to install one by one, download and install. So first, this is a Wi-Fi driver. So it is installed, just single click. After that click on yes for the administrative access. Just click on install. Then it is installed in the background. Then audio driver, so I already downloaded the audio driver. This is audio driver, just single click to open, then click yes and then install. So this is icons to start downloading. Okay, oh, then this is touchpad driver also required for your system. Wi-Fi done, Bluetooth pending. Then next, so no need to restart. No, I restart later because you install the all driver. After that you install it. Okay. Scroll down. Then touchpad driver I also downloaded, you can see, and click to touch and then click yes and install. You have to just click on touchpad driver download icon, it will start like this. Okay, yeah, installed. Okay, and then Bluetooth driver is pending. Click on download. So same, it is start downloading. So Bluetooth driver, it is installed, select and just open. Click on yes. After, you can see Bluetooth driver and click to install. Then I agree to install. Continue to installations. This is for the wireless. Okay, and slow down for the graphic card download. So graphic driver install, just single click. After that, click on yes for that administrator rights, then install. Then guys, next to install the graphic driver. Okay, and after that all completed, then restart your system, and you can see this is also graphic driver also there, so you can download same. So it is same installations process. So it is downloaded, just single click to open. Click on yes. NVIDIA. Then click on yes. Now install. Then you can see it is installing. And if you are don't install the graphic driver in your laptop, so it will not install. Okay, so please check properly. If you have a NVIDIA graphic driver, then you can download this one. Okay. And if you are getting issue when you installing the driver, so if you need the remote support, so check link in description. So you just fill out the form and team will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you.